I've seen a lot of engine test setups where people run their engines out of the car using wires straight from the battery to a switch and the starter motor, and that works. But I didn't feel comfortable doing it that way for my test bench. So this is where it ended up. It looks a bit like a flux capacitor out of the DeLorean, but it gives me safety and a few extra ways to see what's actually happening. It's probably more protection than this setup really needs. But I wanted to use this as a proof of concept, something I can carry across to the car itself in the engine bay, where I can start the engine, shut it down quickly, and turn it over for things like compression testing. So it's not just about running the engine on a bench, it's about building a setup I can understand and reuse. Let me show you how it works. The positive from the battery comes straight to this 40 amp breaker. If the main cable shorts, like accidentally touching the exhaust, it trips before anything serious happens, and also lets me switch the whole module on or off. From there it feeds this fuse box. It has LED indicators that show up if anything's blown. Now, instead of running power straight to the starter switch, I've used a relay. The low current side goes through the switch and the high current side goes to the starter. Both sides are fused. The fuse box also powers the coil and oil light. This goes through this toggle switch, which lets me see if it's live and allows me to turn off the engine. And for an added bonus, if I'm working with distributors, I've got a static timing light set up to make this easier as well. If you want to see how all this works, see my video on the engine test bench. Sometimes simple gets it running. This just gives me a way to understand what it's doing.